Yay. Okay. I'm live, I think. It took me, oh, geez, it's already 6 past 3 over here in Poland, which means uh, it's getting late. It's 9:06, 9:07 in New York. So I should start saying, so hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, if anyone's watching. So I just barely opened the light speed, so I don't know what's going on. I have to look at the screener. Let's see what we've got, what's moving. I had I'm on the 4 losing day streak, which isn't great. I don't know if I ever had that in my short uh, in my short career as a demo trader. But trying to learn every day, I think every day is an opportunity to get something, to learn something new. Let's see what we have today. So let's have a look. So first one I got SYPR. I probably missed on this already. Yeah, big time. I can't believe I have to come on earlier, and actually it's to do with me setting up my trading station. So as you can see, I don't have that microphone anymore on me. Wow, this is really moving, isn't it? Should I be chasing it? The increased volume here on this candle. So this is the leader at the moment. Its float is only 11 million. It's telling me that I didn't get ready earlier. So let's see what it can do. I mean, I should better look because I have to be careful today because I've been losing in the last couple of days. Let's go daily. So what levels have we got here? Okay, I'm kind of approaching those levels. So this is like biggish level there. That's already crossed, it seems. Something like that there. Then the next one would be here. I would say 10. So 10 is a big one. I tested there. Yeah. That might be another one. I'm just gonna plot some of them. Right. So next one will be around 769, I guess. If I zoom in a little bit, that's not exactly right about there. Okay, that's a little bit lower also. Yeah, I better be careful with those levels because if you get them wrong, that looks good. Okay, so back to 1 minute. Let's look over here. This would be a funny day yesterday. I messed up big time. I shouldn't have been trading. The market was not very that great, and I said I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna walk away. But then I started looking at some news, and eventually there was after the Powell stopped was speaking. The market started to bounce really strongly, and I had a little bit of fear of missing out and got myself involved in some trades, and yeah, bad bad idea. Okay, let's have a look. So is it going to go higher? It's 20 minutes to the open, so I would expect it to eventually move higher. It's quite strong, this one. What else have we got there on the scanner? Next one is RRD, and it's 70 million float, so that's not as interesting. And this one is definitely my one. I'm gonna put the other ones on my other charts. So RD, Arlo, after a couple of days of weakness, we might maybe see some better action today. FSR. FSR, just to plot a few of them. FSRs, that's huge. Float S L, so RX. Do this one. Let's see. So spend most of the morning outside. It's 20 degrees here in Poland today in the south, and it feels like summer. Like the kids were running basically naked around. We went to play some tennis on local courts, and yeah, they had to undress. And at home feels colder than it is outside. So I'm glad I didn't kind of get in just quickly because it's kind of consolidating in this at this level a little bit. So come on. So that's what we have here. Could plot this line here maybe. Let's see. So I'm still wearing my sweat t-shirt. Didn't have time to change because just came back. And I was setting up this other microphone and it wouldn't work, and yeah, always something. So this is what we've got at this point. SYPR. Okay, what else we've got? Let's go here. Go on this one. So it kind of stopped going higher at this point. So on the break of 7 would be an entry to test this 769, I guess. Let's see. So it's 146% up, which is quite good. Might be a good one. Yeah, I wish I was in front of the computer earlier because there was clearly an opportunity here, and I missed out on it. And when there is a rare opportunity in a market, like in the last couple of days, you better be in front of the computer because you're just missing out. So that's my Excel spreadsheet. 4 days, right? Still smallish, but annoying. Yeah, it might be a good entry there. So first 1 minute candle to make a new high. The 5 minute is also might be a good one. I'm in. It's been quite strong. So I'll be happy to get out if it's not working, if it's not gonna work out. So my level is 179. So it broke that level. Yeah, lots of red. I'm out. It's already lost. So another day of losing. Let's see. I'm in. What's going on? No. Wow. So it was a false 5-minute breakout, and obviously I got in at the wrong time. Just trying to chase, get involved, and that's a mistake. I'm in again, trying to get something. $6.38 is my entry. Out again. Yeah, okay, I just have to wait, I guess. I waited too long, hoping it would go back up. Now what's the level that makes sense? No. So that's what happens. I'm too late to the game today. It's already down $22. But if we're going to see some positive action, I should be able to easily make that and more. So I would actually mark this level. Look, this might be good. I would say 603, right? Like if it taps this level, it's a good entry. SYPR. What's that one? SYPR. It's another one that's quite good. Is it gonna sell off down to 605? Haven't got that much time before the open. Come on. Let's see what's happening here. Some green. Actually, yeah, should quit that. So it's so nice. I mean, it's so good to be trading in demo during those days when it's not going according to plan, and I'm kind of thinking how I would deal with it when I was trading live. Would I've actually traded if in that weak market, or this is the lesson. So when I go live, I'm not going to trade those weak days at all, because it just shows me that this is not a good idea. It's better to be away and not lose the money, or maybe trade in demo those weekdays just to see if I can make some profit. And then if I see something exploding, then I might just switch to live account and do that and trade in live, right? Because what's the point if you want to be in front of the computer and do some buying and selling? in a weak market, maybe demo is the option. So that's what I might do in the future when the account is ready. Okay, 9:21. It's or 22. It's 8 minutes to the open. So it's approaching that level. I wonder where VWAP is. Let's see if I can. On my system, it's okay. Write it down. I'm and got myself in early somehow. I'm getting out because it's quite high. I wanted to get in lower. Yeah, that's a little bit better, isn't it? So 610 is better entry. It still might sell off from here, but so some buyers stacking up, hopefully, but it's too close to the open. So you see it's still dropping. Quite a lot of sellers, as you can see. I bought another 100. It doesn't want to go. There it is. I'm gonna try to get some 10 cents maybe. I'm out. So made some money back. Just tiny bit. Should have waited. See? Too greedy. I mean, too greedy. Too quick on the trigger. Can't believe we should have sold half. Ah, Rafa. That wasn't good. Was waiting for it and then closed for $15. Look how strong it is. Wow. Nice. I'm out. $3. Come on, Rafa. I mean, come on. Dude. Can't believe how strong it is. Yeah. Completely wrong. Every time. So $12. But gee. Oh, not very good trading. Can't believe that I missed it. It didn't look like it's gonna bounce that fast, especially, and just before the open as well. Okay, let's take a look at it. I might as well mark this level here for the open just to see what I can do with it at the open. Yeah, because the volume really dried up over here, so I didn't expect it to explode like that. It's funny how the confidence, like I'm really lacking confidence in what I'm doing at this point. Look at this. Wow. It's not even 9:30. So the level here would be some the top was 691 and then it broke to 707 and then came down. It's waiting for the open. So I don't know. Okay. So tested that level here. There's now ascending resistance and dropped. Okay, just it's 1 minute to the open. So you can clearly see this support line here. From here, I don't know. I can draw this, I can draw that. Okay, 20 seconds. What is it gonna do, huh? Over 7, I should be getting ready. 7:01. Yeah, I'm too late as usual. Well, let's see. I'm out for $1. Great. Out because it's wow. Okay, careful. There must be entry somewhere. Okay, I took some profit, but so it's still it's awful. And why am I even bothering to trade the open with my lack of experience, huh? Just desperate to make some gains. I'm out trying to close it. See? Can't close, can't get out. Something's wrong. Nothing works. That's fantastic, but I just want to get out. Active orders. I don't want any active orders. Unable to get out. There's something wrong. Trying to close items. Did it? Yes. Yes. Something's not right. I don't know what's happening, guys. Okay, close out all longs. Yes. Doesn't work. Okay, but with me. I'm just gonna close this SYPR. I just have to try again. I have to try again. Something's wrong with that. Just bear with me 1 second. Let's go here. SYPR. I'm gonna try to fix this. Okay. Green. Back SYPR. So I'll have to look later at what I had in terms of what I won, what I lost. I wonder what the problem is. Okay, made some, lost some. Careful. No, it's doing some crazy stuff. Out $20. Wow. Going for the 10 cents. Closed it. Trying to get in again. Out for $18. So it's kind of easier a little bit with this one. Well, $13. I have to analyze what went wrong with my system earlier. Wow, it's really going both ways at the same time. Ah, jeez. It really doesn't know. I bought. It's kind of scared. Can I get 10? I'm out. -5. Yeah. I missed that huge move, didn't I? Earlier. Out. Still seems to be wanting to go lower, although it was holding this level. Okay, out again. I don't want to be. Yeah, made some money there, tiny bit. but picking those levels is never easy. Just 10 cents at a time, right? Yeah, so we can see on the 5 minute, if we take the perspective, just think clearly. Let's just step away a little bit. Like 5 minute broke this resistance level and quickly sold off, right? It didn't hold that level, and now it's the whole action is underneath that level, so it doesn't show that it's strong. It shows weakness. So it seems as if the direction now is down clearly, right? Unless we go above this level and we hold it, um, I'm quite lucky that I managed to make some money on it anyway. But I don't think I would be I would be trading the open like this when I go live first time. There must be, there must be real positivity in the market. SPY is down a little bit. It was less than 1%. Now it's 180, 190. So it's selling off a little bit. I didn't even have a chance to look at the news or anything like that, like what's going on. So I missed out on a big opportunity, right? As you've seen, I think I sent 20 orders. I sent one order, a limit order, and then a market order, and they kind of got jammed in some way, and that was too many orders. But then how do I close it? I couldn't even get out of my position. That's what scares me. So I hope it's just demo issue, right? I don't want to have to be in that situation live. Well, this was going my way, right? And I was seeing some big profits there. So it was funny because obviously when it goes your way, you can't close the trade. But if it goes against you, then obviously it will close your down position when you in the red. So you can't take your profits, but you can take your losers. Yeah, give me your money. Okay, now it's kind of bouncing a little bit, but probably I wouldn't expect to go, right? 750, I guess, maybe. 750. Over here, I have a different line. 760. It's really hard to say. Okay, SPY is also regaining its losses. So it kind of copies very much. It follows SPY big time. Right. Let's stop this thing. Let's go back to this one. Right. So minimize this guy. Just looking at the Finwiz news. Stocks edge lower ahead of Powell testimony. But hold on, that was not yesterday because I was. No, I want to see calendar. So let's refresh it. The current calendar. So yesterday he was testifying, and we got so today again testifies. Okay, so there was good positive move when he was testifying at some point, right after 10 o'clock. So we might see the same situation here with this one, because this one's really keen now. There's a lot going on, but the SPY doesn't know what it's doing. I'm just gonna put it here, so you can see that price 386. SYPR, of course, SLRX. So that's what we have on this one. SLRX. Its float is 23 million, which is not bad. But now we have this topping candle, so it needs a pullback, right? That's what it looks like, at least. So today, yeah, so Chair Powell testifies at 10. So that's why the news and this hesitancy in the market. So stocks lower. That's why that one resumed in and stocks something. Wow, that would be a good entry. But how low can it go? Okay, this is, whoa, that's nice. Yeah, too late. What's going on today? Come on, guys. I'm out. I can't see what I'm doing. A little bit lower, right? According to this. I got in. Okay, got that $10. Over here I can see in the executions. Looks like I might just break it. Let's look at the buy side. If wow, some buyers there, they want to hold it above. There's big war going on here, although the volume is not that massive. Nice. Look, so kept above. It's trying to close above, but no, it's still 40 seconds left on this candle. So yeah, big war going on here. What's the, so if I look like that, yeah, I guess 606, and this one 93. Yeah, it's definitely not an easy market to trade in. Not for beginners, for sure, because the last few weeks it was so easy to trade. So I managed to get in at 611 and then close 621 for another $10. Oh. Okay, still selling off. In, trying to capture 10 cents. Can I? Will it let me? I'm actually, okay. It's a really good level. I got in again. So I should set my stop 588. So just being careful. I got 200 shares. Bastard, come on, go up. Yeah, got in again. 588. So it's obviously that's why the stop losses are what they are. Doesn't want to go up, does it? I don't want to increase my share size at this point. I'm out. Of course, now it's 602. Trying to get another 10 cents. Out. Oh, just trying to be so careful with this bloody thing. And just not trusting it. Now it went, but without me, of course. So it's still under this resistance level. That's why I'm so careful as well, because it's not strong, it's weak. This is just a bounce. Look how strong this sell-off was. Glad I didn't hold any through this massive pullback. I'm really worried what will happen if I'm gonna go no, lost there. Wow. No, out. Wow, it's now setting up like really. Is there anything else? I'm kind of always looking at the leaders, but there might be something else going on that I'm not aware of. That was a nice entry here, huh? RRD. There's nothing on RD going on really. The move is like there's not much money in it. Just sitting and waiting. I'm just finishing my juice. This one is apple pie spinach. Did you say that? Good. it? Parsley, my God. I just saw it before it. I actually look at the translator. Parsley, yeah, spinach, parsley, apple, really healthy. So onion and juice until now. So I'll eat something late in the day. So almost 4 o'clock. So I had 2 juices today. It's my second glass. Oh, I can't believe. I don't know what happened there. Jeez, how I sent too many orders. Should I always? I don't know. I'm just wondering what's wrong with that. I have to review the video because it's worrying. I don't want to have that situation live, and I have a hotkey for quitting my current orders, and these orders were like grayed out. Maybe I should be looking at the messages. I didn't understand what was happening, and nothing would work. It just got muddled up with so many active orders, which were grayed out. On the other hand, I don't know. So it's like with the PC, it's always best to reset. But in life, I don't want to close my program and get in when I'm actually in a live trade. I don't know. But there was some profit to be made, and I missed out on it because of this issue. I was trying to sell, and my orders weren't filled in demo, and then there was too many of them. There were too many of them eventually, and it just got muddled up. Because I'm still debating how I'm going to manage my exits. So when I buy and I want to get out, the limit or just market, right? The limit order is not going to get filled all the time. So price will change. So I'm going to have to use market orders for those quick exits, right? Because I can set my price, my limit order, if it reaches a certain point, yeah, my 10 cents, that's great. But then for those quick moves, I want to get out quickly when I press the hotkey. And yeah, that's the thing that I'm worried about. But then if I use the market order, what price am I going to be filled at, right? Am I just going to be the food for the market makers and some, for those high frequency trading firms? They will see market order and they will give me the lowest price. Obviously, I meant to get the best price, but I don't know. With direct market access with this Lightspeed, that's the reason I want to use it. Because when I was trading on the online-based platform, I would be filled at insane prices where the candles wouldn't, the price wouldn't even trade there, and my positions would get closed with much bigger loss, for example. And when I was in profit, I was trying to close it. They wouldn't close it. It would hit the price. I could see it on a candle. Okay, I'm just looking at this. The price would get hit, and then I wouldn't get filled. Because obviously that's how they make money on the spread, and they trade against, I guess, my orders, especially if they see that I'm losing money. Yeah, it's selling off further. Oh. So very active mornings today in terms of spending time outside. So I've been in front of the computer way too much lately. And I had my run this morning. I played some tennis with the kids. It was great. 20 degrees outside. Really nice. Selling off big time, huh? Yes, it's really, really. What if I do this? It's trying to find another key level. That looks reasonable. If I zoom in, enough. Yeah, something like that, I guess. I could say, I don't know. I don't see anything. Look at my other charts. So okay, so let's look at other parts of the market. Just okay, this one. Don't need this one. Don't need anything else. So Tesla, okay, it bottomed over here, and now it's already a lot higher. Bitcoin, okay, went above 50 already, and then it's holding below at this point. It was a huge drop, wasn't it? But yeah, that's what Bitcoin is. SPY, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th day in a row. That's red. This one, yeah, it was, maybe it's a reversal of the trend at this point. But yeah, that's why. If the market is not favorable, I guess it's hard, a little bit harder to find good stocks to trade in a small cap world as well. Nasdaq. Wow. So how much did it drop off the top, like yesterday, up to yesterday? 8%? Oh, that's not bad. If you look at how far it has come since, hold on, so that's it. That's, am I right? Can you look at it correctly? Yeah, that's the drop in March. So can't believe how much it moved up. Anyway, Airbnb, I was surprised actually the other day. I was watching it, the IPO. I was trading in the demo, quite successful. Was I trading in the demo? I think I was just watching it, but I could see the levels quite clearly there. But it was good to trade, I think, for the IPO. But I was expecting just to sell off, like, because the price was way higher, I think, than the announced price. And then it does this, over $200, 20. So now it's going up again. I'm really shocked by this, but I guess that's what it is. Not bad. Okay, so tap this level, and now kind of regaining it a little bit, but nothing too great, I guess. Well, at least I'm positive. Sorry, I think I need coffee, not just juice. At least I'm positive today, a little bit. You know, even a small green day is better than the red, right? Because slowly but surely you can build that account to something bigger. And if you're not in for quick money, I guess that's good. You don't get as much stress. You can sleep at night, because those $100 losses are not as big as $1,000 losses. Obviously gains are smaller as well, so that's my strategy. just take those small winners and just build up the account. Along the way, I hope I will learn the behavior and the execution behavior of the market, and then eventually I will size up. I think that's how everyone starts at the beginning, I guess. Well, the reasonable way to start is, I guess, this one, this way. Um, Having said that, I went with quite a big size in March 2020 and lost the money. It was really stressful period. And I lost a lot by not trading since, what was it, June or something? Because there was so much to be gained. But I've proven myself that I don't know what I'm doing. So why would I trade when the market was going up if I didn't have the conviction, I didn't have the knowledge that that's what it would continue and do. Yeah, live and learn, I guess. So was it good that I wasn't? Yeah, I guess it was good that I wasn't trading since June. At least I had some of my health back and spent some time figuring things out, just learning a little bit. I noticed that this is nothing sophisticated, simple. But I think in trading, very often it doesn't have to be complicated. The simpler it is, the better you can understand it, the easier it is to learn, I guess. And people very often look for some crazy technique or secret sauce, some sort of strategy that's amazing. But oftentimes I think we forget what the crucial thing is, which is those behaviors, the correct behaviors of not keeping those losers and just taking it easy, slowly, when the market is favorable to what you're trying to do, to your strategy. And the strategy doesn't have to be complicated. Yeah, I think I don't see anything going on, I think, at this point. PSTX, what is that doing? PSTX. Nothing special. Another yawn, sorry. Yeah, I think I'll call it a day. I'll have to look at the video from before I shut this down and kind of add it all up, see what the share size I had there, the profit loss, whatever, and add it up with what I have here. But I expect it to be a bit better today. 85.76 with these 5,000 shares here. So that's 48 up, which may be a small green day. This is what I need, actually, to get some confidence back and kind of trust in what I'm doing, that it's the right thing, and see and take it from there. Just draw. This is bouncing a little bit, but it's nothing, nothing too crazy. So if I put this, at least I'm gonna see some green. Maybe I should actually stop for the day. So small win, and then I'll add the other one and see if that's positive or not. So kind of leveling here, a little bit, tiny move up, but that's nothing. But at least I didn't drop down like crazy, right? I had 4 losers, and it's mild, it's nothing steep, and that's what I should be happy about. And yeah, I think that will call it a day. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow. for the live demo trading practice. It's every day is getting me closer to the day that I'll open. I'll have my account live, and then we'll see how good what I've learned is, and if it's gonna generate profits or it's gonna be a losing strategy. So again, thanks for watching, and see you.